Kia ora koutou. So today I'm just going to show you a few things that you can do if your Trap.NZ app isn't working correctly. So if the map is not displaying properly, you can come up here and click on this one and then go synchronize now, and that will download everything that you need and hopefully bring your map back. If that doesn't work, you can simply uninstall and reinstall the app. So that will also make sure that you've got the latest version of the app, which will include bug fixes and just be a better app. But before you do that, it's always useful to come up and export the logs. So all the records that you've made on the app will be saved here. And if there's a yellow symbol on the record, it means that it hasn't been uploaded to the website, and you'll need to do that manually. So you can export the logs by just tapping export logs, and if you go export your collected data, that'll export it in a CSV file for uploading to the website later. So you can go export your collected data and then just email it to yourself. So select your email client down here and just email it to yourself. And then you can simply go and uninstall the app and go to the Play Store or the App Store and reinstall it, and everything should be sweet.